Well, that was a lot of messing about. Yeah, basically I got it in. We've got a bit of space to move it slightly. And, yeah, it's... But I can get the lift underneath it. That's all I need to do. And I'm pretty sure it'll go around both sides. Let me check. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, I forgot about that. I mean, it'll swing in, but I might have to move this metal. Yeah, anyway, it's in. Because I can get it, because it's the exhaust that's got fucked into it. So now I can get this in. I can get the exhaust fixed up. I have to move everything, like the bike's here. You know what I mean? That thing's there. Fucking... But it's in, so that means I can actually start working on it now. I'm really happy actually to get it in. Yeah, look at this shit. To move it all out. This got moved out. That's been moved forward. Yeah. Oh, but I might be careful about that. Yeah. I think it's alright. Handbrake's on anyway, but I just didn't put it. I could have slotted this in here, but I didn't. I just didn't. Can we ask? Yeah. Yeah, I just rolled it forward so I could get a gap. Because I had to get the Prius in, so I had to move all this stuff out of the way. Anyway, it's in. Yeah. The only one that doesn't work is the red van. Yeah. I need to fix that, don't I? Everything else works. Right. So this is ready now, which is good. Which means, like, if I like to, tomorrow I can get started on this. Yeah. Be good. Get it up on the lift and then I can get that exhaust sorted. Wow. I'm surprised, to be honest, that it got in with that. But, yeah. Anyway, it's in. Be done. I could probably shuffle it a bit. No, I can't. I was going to say shuffle it so it gets in that gap, but it's enough. It'll get it in. The heavy end is this engine end, even though there's a battery in it. So, you know, I could even move it slightly backwards and it'd be fine. Yeah. Cool.